Hello everyone, this is Jason from ECMAP Level 2 Support. In this Micro TV, I will show you how to verify CMS works after installing the config. We will cover the following topics. The first one is how to verify CMS works after installing the config. The second is some useful pages to check CMS information. Now let's move to the first topic. To verify if CMS works or not, I will introduce two ways. The first one is check the CMS Index page. After CMS install the config, you can open the CMS Index page with following link. After you input the valid credentials, the Getting Started CMS page will be shown. This page includes links to the service documents and information about the URI templates and the service collection data defined for the repositories. It also includes links to the RESTful item pub banding, web service banding, and the browser banding information in the Oasis CMS specification version 1.1. You are able to open each link to check if it works or not. For example, if you open item pub link, it will download the ATOM package. If you open the web service link, it will display the content of that XML file. If you open the browser page, it will display the JSON format information for your repository. If the CMS-related banding URL is incorrect or the repository cannot be listed, you may need to recheck your CMS configuration to correct them by running the task again in Configuration Manager. Then I will introduce the second way to verify if CMS works, which is using the CMS workbench. First, you need to download the CMS workbench from the Apache Chemistry website, then install it on your Windows client. After install, you can run the workbench.bat command to launch Workbench. After it launched, it allows you to enter the URL with banding service. We will use web service URL as example, then input the valid credential and click Load Repository. It will load the repository you think from the CMS Index page. Then you can select this repository and log in. After you log in, you will be able to browse all of the folders and the documents in CMS repository. You can also do some actions like update properties for folder and documents, query, and so on. Then I will introduce some useful pages to check CMS information. The first one is the About CMS page. It will show you the CMS version. Also show you the Oasis CMS specification implemented in this version. The second is the CMS configuration page. It will show you the repository configuration, also show you the system properties, and finally show you the environment variables for CMS. That's all I would like to share with you in this Micro TV. Thank you for your watching.